In today's competitive business environment, every business needs to work in tandem with multiple entities like suppliers, customers, banks, and other sections of their business. An ERP system provides integrated business function modules for supply chain processes, such as procurement, sales and distribution, production and asset maintenance, and financials. However, the last miles of the supply chain process are not seamlessly connected. It means a lot of manual intervention, data entry on behalf, to and fro emails or calls, delay in data availability and traceability, and mistakes. Imagine a digital bridge which connects these last miles with the ERP to provide end-to-end process execution, easy traceability, self-service for business partners, and a lot more. A bridge that interconnects suppliers, customers, and the production team and maintenance engineers at the manufacturing facility. Presenting the Supply Chain Hub solution, a solution that connects these important business constituents with the back-end ERP system, digitally transforming the business process execution and building a responsive supply chain. Supply Chain Hub Manufacturing module integrates the factory equipment with the ERP system to yield insights for an actionable intelligence, such as overall equipment efficiency, production tracking and traceability, rejection rework, cost consumption tracking, real-time asset health status, preventative and predictive maintenance, and more. Supply Chain Hub is powered by an enterprise-class application platform enabled with Internet of Things, machine learning, inbuilt business intelligence, inbuilt BPM and BRM engine, offline capability to provide secure and scalable industry-specific digital applications. Supply Chain Hub provides a rich user experience with an aesthetically designed, minimalistic user interface. Supply Chain Hub applications are non-intrusive, easy to adapt, and mobile-ready to work across all devices. Supply Chain Hub applications are offered on a software-as-a-service-based subscription model, which makes them budget-friendly. With thousands of users connected across large global enterprises in the manufacturing, FMCG, construction, metal sectors, to name a few, and facilitating transactions worth billions of dollars. Supply Chain Hub is trusted by large global enterprises to digitize their supply chain.